هلو هو سلعة من بخير هاتن Kurdish lesson يعني درسين كردي أزغله تزغله مع مستيا ويا كرمانجي your Kurmanji teacher. So in this video lesson we will be reading a text together called Zarok or internet, the children and the internet, the connection, internet, right? So here if you want to have if you want to have the text, you can have a look at our website. So I will be reading from our website. So if you come to blog in the website, you will easily reach the text. So let's read it together. Here, إيرو لقالك معلن internet حياة. Today, in many houses, there is internet. إيرو لقالك معلن internet حياة. لوما قالك زاروك دمن خوين سربست بإنترنت درباستكن. That's why قالك زاروك many kids دمن خوين سربست بإنترنت درباستكن. So I will be taking notes for you. So Loma is that's why لوما قالك زاروك دمن خوين سربست بإنترنت درباستكن. دمن خوين سربست there 3 times. Okay? إيرو اللي قالك معلن إنترنت حياة. لوما قالك زاروك دمن خوين سربست بإنترنت درباستكن. زاروك إنترنت جبو أرمانجن جور بجور بكارتين. So Zarok, as you see here, it can be one kid or many kids. So in this case, we have a look at the verb. Bekartinen means to use, and we see the in plural form to use. So here it refers many kids. So of course, when we speak about something general, we use plural form, right? Kids play, kids use Zarok bekartinen. And the Armanjen jur bejur. Armanjen jur bejur, various aims. Armanj means aim, goal, okay? Jur bejur is various. And internet جبو سبارتكن دبستاني قالك مفادارة. So internet جبو سبارتكن دبستاني for school homework قالك مفادارة. It's very useful. مفادارة here it means beneficial, okay? مفادار. And or a synonym for this will be بكير. Beneficial, okay? So, internet, جبو سبارتكن دبستان for school homework قالك مفادار. It's very useful, very beneficial. Laura, Loma, that's why Zarok قالك جارة kids many times, often جبو سبارتكنها for their homework لسر internet on the internet. لكولينام دكن they do research. او آگاهین برفره جه وردگرن. So آگاهی جو تتتن ورگرتن. So to get knowledge from somewhere. So آگاهین برفره جه وردگرن. Let's read the last example one more time. Laura, that's why Zarok قالك جاران جبو سبارتكن for their homework. لسر internet on the internet لكولينام دكن they do research. او آگاهین برفره جه وردگرن. And get برفره like very big, like huge knowledge. برفره like general, yeah, like big. So آگاهین برفره جه وردگرن. Yani, that is. Yani internet إيرو كتية شونا انسيكلوبيديا مزن. So كتن شونا literally to fall instead of something, to fall something's place, like to replace. So إيرو internet today كتية replaced encyclopedia مزن with big encyclopedias. So now, like these days, instead of encyclopedias, we use internet. إيرو internet كتية شونا encyclopedia مزن. كتن شونا. Here it's the infinitive if you want to have a look at this. Je vais aller in this side, like from this point of view, je vais aller بکارانین internet geleki باشه. The usage of internet is very good. بکارانین internet geleki باشه. هر وها also زاروک جبو هر وها also like moreover زاروک جبو کو دما خوش در باس بکن جی internet بکارتین. So not also for research but دما خوش در باس بکن جی and also to spend their time well. Internet بکارتین. لیبل بعد جارنا زاروک خواه جبیر دکر. So خواه جبیر کرن you forget yourself, you lose yourself. زاروک جارنا خواه جبیر دکر. زاروک keep, زاروک forget themselves. وقالك دمن لسر جرى internet درباس دكر. And they spend too much time on the traveling on internet. So gar means trip, journey. So gara internet like internet trip. Okay. So je ali vaji, like from this point of view, بكارانينا internet, the usage of internet قالك انجامن نباش دردخه هولي. So here it's not دركتن but درخستن هولي to create. Okay. So from this point of view, the usage of internet shows many bad results. انجام نباش در دخل خوله. اللومة دوی زاروک that's why kids have to should بکارانینا internet ده in the usage of internet. قالك هشيار they should be awake. هشيار like you are awake, you know what you are aware of, what you do, you know what you are doing, right? هشيار وحمود من خوين سربست لسر internet در باس نت and not to spend all day free time on internet. وحمود من خوين سربست در باس نت. So the way هشيار they should be awake and they shouldn't spend all their time on internet. Okay. Now I will reread one more time. We will see. زاروك وإنترنت. إيرو اللي قالك معلان إنترنت هيا. اللوما قالك زاروك دمين خوين سربست بإنترنت در باستكر. زاروك إنترنت جبو انجامن جور بجور بكارتينن. زاروك بكارتينن. إنترنت جبو سبارتكن دبستاني قالك مفادارة. لوما زاروك قالك جاران جبو سبارتكن خل سر إنترنت اللي كولينا بكن وآقاهيا برفره جي وردكن. يعني إنترنت إيرو كتية شونا انسيكلوبيديا مزن. جوی علیوه بکارانینا إنترنت قالكي باشه. هروها زاروك جبو كودما خوش در باستكن جي إنترنت بكارتينن. لبلي جارنان زاروك خوش بير دكن. وقالك دمن خوال لسر قرا إنترنت در باستكن. جوی علیوه جي بکارانینا إنترنت قالك انجامن نباش در دخي هولي. لوما دوی زاروك بکارانینا إنترنت ده قالك هشيار بن وحمود من خوين سربست يسار إنترنت ضربة neck. Okay, so as I told you at the beginning, if you want to see the text, have a look at our website. Okay, so I will show you where to find it. So let's say you came to main page, right? Here it's main page. Here are our current courses, upcoming courses, and here self-study courses. And we have here our digital library for learners. Here, the text called Zarok or Internet. You click it, and you will see the text here. Okay, and the second thing I want to show you in this video is our upcoming courses. So we have many upcoming courses. So here we go. So first of all, for Kurmanji students, we have a beginner course for Kurmanji students. And for Kurmanji, we have elementary course, we have pre-intermediate course, and we have speaking clubs. So if you know some Kurmanji, if you want to practice it and learn new vocabularies, new some grammar forms during the lessons, you may join speaking clubs. So here for beginner, elementary, intermediate, you choose your level. And as you see for first session, it is only 45 USDs, which is quite reasonable. It's for a speaking lesson. And luckily, we have a Sorani beginner course. It's a new course. We have Badini beginner course. So if you travel to the Duhok, if your family or I don't know, husband, wife is from around Duhok, Zaho, Jolamer, I suggest you to learn Badini because it is what people speak there. Of course, Kurmanji and Badini is very close, but why not learning Badini if you have a chance? And for those who want to advance their speaking and reading skills, I suggest Advanced Practice School. So it will start on September 10th. And you can join any of it. So if you have any questions, send us an email. And here there are some self-study. And as I said below here. So I hope you enjoyed the text. Hope you enjoyed the text. And what else? That's all for now. Thank you for joining me. I will see you next time.